any persons desiring to use the water of any canal may apply in writing to the divisional or subdivisional canal officer of the division or subdivision of the canal from which the water course is to be supplied, requesting such officer to construct or improve a water course at the cost of the applicant's first stop. The application shall state the works to be undertaken, their appropriate estimated cost or the amount which the applicants are willing to pay for the same, or whether they engage to pay the actual cost as settled by the divisional canal officer, and how the payment is to be made. First up, when the assent of the canal officer authorized in this behalf by provincial government is given to such application, all the applicants shall, after the application has been duly attested before the collector, be jointly and severally liable for the cost of such works to the extent mentioned therein. First up, any amount becoming due under the terms of such application and not paid to the divisional canal officer or the person authorized by him to receive the same on or before the date on which it becomes due, shall, on the demand of such officer, be recoverable by the collector as if it were an arrear of land revenue. First up, there shall be provided at the cost of the provincial government suitable means of crossing canals constructed or maintained at the cost of the provincial government at such places as the provincial government thinks necessary for the reasonable convenience of the inhabitants of the adjacent lands. First up, 5 or more inhabitants of such lands may make an application to the regional canal officer to the effect that suitable crossing may be provided on any canal. First up, the divisional canal officer shall forthwith forward the application to the collector, who shall cause an inquiry to be made into the circumstances of the case, and if he thinks that the statement is established, he shall record his opinion thereon for the consideration of the provincial government, and the provincial government shall cause such measure in reference thereto to be taken as it deems fit, full stop.